Hey folks, Kevin here, and today I'm going to talk to you about automations inside of gSender. You can find automations inside of gSender in the config tool inside the automation subsection. You'll notice you have 4 blocks here: file start, file pause, file resume, and file stop end. The use case for this specifically is if there's G-codes you want to run in these particular situations, you're able to enter it here and gSender will run it automatically for you. It's very easy to set an automation. So let's say we want to run an M8 command on file start. All we need to do is click Edit Event, type in the G-code we want, and hit Save. Now anytime we start a file, that M8 will run and we don't have to think about it. There's various different lifecycle hooks here. So file start will run, this block will run anytime you start a file. File resume is similar. If you pause a job and then resume it, that code will run then. File stop, also very straightforward. If you stop a file or you end a file prematurely or the job ends naturally, this code will run. A useful block here might be an M5 to stop your spindle. Finally, file pause. This is a bit more involved, but when you pause, the planning on the board will cycle through the remaining planned commands, and then your block will run. At any time, if you have a block of code that you like to preserve but you don't want running, you're able to disable it by turning off the enabled switch. That will prevent it from running when that life cycle is hit. Hopefully you enjoyed today's tips about automations in gSender. Have a good one.